If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Ava, nice to meet you. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, hello, welcome back. I am vlogging my entire week this week to show you a week in my life. I'm waiting for the elevators. I'm gonna go to campus. This is my fit. My roommate just came home and she said it's cold, so that's why I'm wearing a jacket.
For final presentation work, me either tuck it in, buy it because I've been sick.
Update, I'm back home. It's 8:44 p.m. I made myself my dinner. I was gonna make ratatouille. I was gonna make ratatouille. You know that dish, right? They know the Disney movie with the rat on the chef. I was gonna make ratatouille tonight, but then I got too tired. So I made a salmon rice bowl. I'm here with Sophie is here. Okay, this is gonna be such a short story time because I'm gonna have my dinner, but I went to Trader Joe's today and there was this guy that me and Sophie went to Trader Joe's like a month ago after class. Yeah, and then there's this guy like that was a cashier who was like flirting. We haven't seen him since, but today I went to Trader Joe's and I saw him and he did like a double, triple take. And then he came up to me and then he asked for my Instagram and he like flirted with me. And he has like unspoken riz. He's so charismatic and his voice is so deep. And Sophie's seen him before too.
Yeah.
So
Sophie approved.
Sophie approved. But anyways, I'm gonna eat my dinner. I'm not gonna record myself because I'm so hungry.
I felt a certain type of way about the way that she handled things, and I don't know what she's gonna go in there and say about me.
No!
Oh my god.
Wait, that is so mean of him. Why did
Caroline,
we give her a raw?
will you accept this role?
I am heading out for campus right now, actually. I'm also going to an advanced screening with my friend Cola for Another Simple Favor. By the time I upload this video, that movie has already been out. I have my finance class today, so...
And so I was at Gap Inc. for a large portion of my career, and at Gap Inc. was really, and I love what Steve Jobs says.
Thank you so much. I made it to Joe and the Juice. We finished class. I realized I didn't really record that much. I'm here with Sophie. I'm having this as like my quick dinner. Hi, this is editing Ava. I put on a filter because I think that's best for all of us. This is my filter of choice. I did another one, but I like this one better. I want to give quick context and a really quick story time because it's really funny. The last clip that you saw, Sophie and I are walking through Washington Square, and you can see for a couple of seconds there's a big crowd, and I was really curious why there's lots of people crowded up. So I went up there and I asked one of the girls like, hey, what's this crowd for? And she's like, oh, it's for Lord. And I was like, oh, okay. And then I just walked away. I thought she meant like it was like for the Lord, like God or something. And then after the movie advanced screening thing, we came back home and I went on social media and I found out, no, she did not say the Lord. She meant Lord, like the artist, the singer Lord. And I was like, oh, okay. And that was so funny. It was supposed to be that day that she was gonna like perform there for free. I don't think she ever actually showed up. Call me pick me, if you will. I don't listen to mainstream music. So that was not even on my like radar when she said Lord. I didn't like associate it with like the singer, but that was so funny. Yeah, I just wanted to share that. That's it. Thank you. Guys, I'm back in the elevator. I'm leaving my apartment now. I'm going so late to class. I don't want to be late. I got distracted because I was picking my courses I want to enroll for because enrollment date opens up today. So.
How many emails a week from your favorite brand?
Sorry, I said too many. Understanding media planning, media buying, media metrics. Professor Helena C. talking about popular show back 20 years ago. I can't believe it's 20 years now.
I'm in class right now, and me and my group and everyone in class is waiting to enroll for classes because it opens in less than 30 seconds. My heart's beating so fast. Please.
Oh, okay. I'm good.
Wow.
Did you get everything?
Yeah. Did you?
I think so. I don't know.
Yes. Oh, okay.
I didn't get
Oh my god, no. I got all my classes.
Of course it.
I'm back home. I made dinner for myself. I made ratatouille. Here's my ratatouille. I feel like the veggies aren't completely cooked, so I'm gonna put it in the oven again. I filmed myself making it to make an Instagram reel. By the time this vlog goes up though, I don't know if I uploaded it yet, but honestly, yeah, that's it for today. I'm just gonna relax. So I'll see you tomorrow. A lot later. I just made myself dinner. I made myself some pasta. It's 6:50 p.m. right now. I have a meeting with one of my groups for our project in 10 minutes. Today I've just been doing my work for my group projects because I have so many, and I also had a meeting earlier this morning with one of my professors to help me with internships and stuff. I'm gonna eat a little bit for the next 10 minutes and then join my meeting, which is an hour long.
5 slides, right?
So in your first 5-6 pages, you're going to, here's the situation that Instacart is faced with. I would say, just to be consistent, you're going to pull any additional data going forward, go to
Hello, I look different. I'm gonna do a face mask. Jubin Rose niacinamide serum mask. My roommate Sophie gave it to me. It's from China. She gave it to me a while ago, but I'm going to be using it now. I'm gonna use the remaining of this essence on my neck. I look quite silly now. I have my face mask and I'm in my bed. It's currently 8:17 p.m. Recently, these past couple months, I've had a really good sleep schedule. Oh my god, I cannot take myself seriously. But yeah, I've had a really good sleep schedule. I tend to go to bed between 9:30 to like 11:30, and in the mornings I tend to wake up between like 5 a.m. and 7:30 a.m. So with that being said, I'm probably gonna be up just for like 1 more hour or so. I've been reading this book. It's by Frida McFadden. It's called The Boyfriend. I just started it, but it's really good.
You need to know SQL, or you need to know Snowflake. That's fairly specific.
Yeah. I heard from a little birdie that.
Oh, what? Really?
Yeah, but it's,
oh my god.
This is more off the record. It also shows the decline of H&M. Do you guys agree with that, or?
What's a question?
I think actually, now that I'm seeing this, We already have a slide, right, for the mission. Hello, I'm giving an update mid getting ready. It's currently like 7:30-ish p.m. I just got out of the shower, blow dried my hair, and I'm doing my makeup. As you can see, I'm so excited because tonight me and my roommate Cola, we're gonna go to a comedy show. We're going to Marcelo's show from SNL. We bought the tickets last minute. We bought it either last week or 2 weeks ago, and it was either going to see him or Ricky Gervais. I love Ricky Gervais. I think he's so funny. I personally feel like seeing Ricky Gervais live is a dream come true and a once in a lifetime type of opportunity. But when we were looking at seats for Ricky Gervais's shows, his seats were pretty expensive because there weren't too many left, and the cheapest one that was still kind of pricey was in the nosebleeds, like the very last row, not good seats. So we decided to go see Marcelo. But before going to the show, my friend and I are gonna go to a bar, get some drinks. That was my update. I will vlog the rest of the night for you. Update, guys. I have my hair cloth. What is this called? My hair roller in. Okay. We're going to a wine shop to get drinks because I think we're actually I think we're gonna drink at our apartment and not at a bar. We might go to a bar. Guys, this is my love.
Ava does not have my consent to post.
Guys, we're here at the Marcelo show. I am so excited.
Where are you from?
I'm from Iceland.
Huh?
Iceland.
Yeah?
I'm from Florida, but I'm Persian.
What?
From Iran.
Iran?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Nice. You've been in Iran?
One time.
Okay.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Mauritania.
Oh.
You know Mauritania? First time you hear Mauritania?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's that?
Where is it?
That's not nice.
It's where?
Is that in Europe?
Oh. I was just kidding. I know where it is. Guys, 2 a.m. I'm getting food. Oh.
White sauce?
Wow, yeah.
Spicy?
Yeah. Yeah. A little bit.
Good?
That looks
Delicious.
wow.
Really delicious.
So delicious.
You guys stay in New York or gonna come back to?
Yeah, we live here.
We live here.
Oh, you live here?
Yeah.
You have to visit me all the time.
Yes.
Special price all the time.
Okay, perfect. Thank
Right?
you.
Anytime you come, I give you discount.
Yeah, we're
You
close
have to
by.
visit me. Huh?
We will, yeah.
Alright.
Thank you so
Good to see you. Have a
much.
good night.
What was your name?
That's it.
Cassie. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Oh my god, this is leaking. Oh my god, I'm leaking.
Oh. Dropped one. Oh. Me and Cola just came home. I wiped off my makeup. I'm waiting for Cola to wipe off her makeup because I wiped it off first.